Discover Our Local. Part of the Discover Our Local campaign is to tell your story by video. So I thought I'd give a few tips on getting the best out of your video in the shortest amount of time, visually, audibly, and the message. So let's talk about location. Firstly, face the window of your light source. Standing in front of a window gets a silhouette and it's a little bit harder to see. If you're outside, either stand all in the light or all in the shadow so you get an even light and it's not patchy on your face. Also stand in a place where there's a bit of depth behind you, so don't put your back against a wall or a backdrop. Take the opportunity to have a product or logo placement in your shot, either in the foreground or in the background. If you're presenting, change the different shot sizes for variation, but don't move too far away from your microphone. Where even is the microphone? The mic on your phone may be perfect if you keep the phone within half a metre, but if you compose a shot where you need to stand a little bit further back, then use the headphones which have a mic in them. This brings the mic closer to you and will ensure your sound quality is just that little bit better. Well, once you have the location, product placement and audio sorted, it's your message that's important. Your business has had a lot of hard work, sweat and probably tears to build it to what it is today. So you won't be able to articulate years of information into 1 minute. So choose 1 or 2 subjects per video. Yes, you can make more than one video. In fact, a series is a great idea. It may be introducing staff, how a product works, or simply instructions directing your customers where to go and what to do. An emotional story will allow people to empathise and celebrate with what you're experiencing. So tell the why, not just the what. Location, branding, lighting, audio, message. Put it all together with a simple editor on your phone which allows you to trim, splice, add music and then export to your platform of choice. Look, if you have any queries and want some free guidance on how to do your Discover Our Local video, then call or text me, and I can't wait to hear our local stories.